If elegance had a fragrance, this would be it. Welcome to Safed Murg Biryani. Calm, classy and confident. The kind of biryani that doesn't shout I am delicious because it already knows it is. White, creamy, royal and subtly spiced. Basically, the Nawab of biryanis, who speaks softly but wins hearts loudly. So, settle in, because today we are making a biryani that smells like patience, luxury and thoda sa pyar. Every good biryani starts with its own personality, and this one begins with a custom white biryani masala. Into the grinder went cinnamon stick, mace, nutmeg, only half because full nutmeg is a little too enthusiastic, black and green cardamoms, black peppercorns and fennel seeds. Store-bought masalas are nice, but freshly ground ones, they walk into the room before you do. Now let's bring in the main character. 1.5 kilos of chicken, clean, fresh and ready to be pampered. To this we add 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, salt with feeling and not fear, our freshly ground white biryani masala and 250 grams of curd. Mix everything properly, not gently, not angrily, just like you mean it. Once the chicken is well coated, let it rest for at least 30 minutes. Agar time zyada hai, even better, because chicken bhi thoda me time deserve karta hai. And now in a large vessel, add oil. If the vessel is not a non-stick, then add salt before adding the potatoes. Potatoes won't stick to the vessel. Potatoes in the biryani is optional, but honestly, हमारे घर में optional नहीं होता. Fry the potatoes until they get a nice brown coating. This step is important because soggy potatoes in biryani are a personal attack. At this stage, potatoes are 60% cooked. Once it's golden and confident, remove them and keep them aside. In the same vessel, add a couple of bay leaf and 4 long sliced onions. And remember, this is not a rushed relationship. Onions need time, they need attention, and they need you to not scroll Instagram while frying them. Cook them till they are deep brown, not light brown, not dramatic black, just perfectly caramelized. This is the moment where patience becomes flavor. And then add the marinated chicken into the vessel, mix it well with those beautiful fried onions, so every piece knows exactly where it belongs. Add some Kashmiri red chili powder. This is for color and not aggression. Also, I have linked some of the products I used in the description below. If you are planning to cook this and need them, you can check them out there. Moving on, next go in some whole green chilies and 3 roughly chopped tomatoes. यहाँ पानी बिल्कुल नहीं ऐड करना है. Tomatoes and chicken will release their own water. जैसे घर के elders थोड़ा time दो सब बोल देते हैं. And now add back the fried potatoes. Mix everything well and then starts the patience test. Cook on low flame for 40 minutes so that the chicken is well cooked. Cover with a lid, but every 10 to 15 minutes, open the lid, stir gently, close it again. Like checking on a sleeping baby, but less stressful. See that? Chicken has released its own juices, and this is where the real flavor lives. Continue cooking till the chicken is well done. And if you are enjoying watching this, then show some love by liking the video. Share it with fellow biryani lovers and subscribe to my channel, because you know, good food deserves good company. Moving on, at this stage the chicken should be 90% cooked. Time to bring in the rice. I prefer using overnight cooked rice as it has lower glycemic index and it's lighter on digestion. But you can use fresh rice too. Just make sure it's 80% cooked. On top of the rice goes fresh cream and ghee generously. This is Safed biryani, not diet food. So the trick is adding cream and ghee on the rice and not in the gravy, so the rice absorbs the flavor slowly and beautifully while it's on dum. Garnish it with fresh mint leaves and fried onions. If this biryani made you hungry or happy, do try making it at home. Just look at that. If Calm had a fragrance, it would smell exactly like this Safed Murg biryani. Plate it beautifully. Take your time. बिरयानी ने इतनी मेहनत की है, थोड़ा रिस्पेक्ट तो बनता है. See this? Chicken from the base, rice from the top. This is how biryani should behave. ये बिरयानी लाउड नहीं है, ये बिरयानी याद रह जाती है. No aggressive red color, no drama. बस ये classy, elegant, quietly confident biryani. This is the kind of biryani that doesn't scream for attention. It whispers, I know I'm good. Coming up, one eye view of all the ingredients used. Please save that frame. Future you will thank present you. Until next time, keep your eyes fluffy, your onions patient, and your biryani legendary. See you soon.